our fun acrylic paint pouring workshops. We hold this workshop every Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday. We also hold this workshop at any day or time for groups of 5 or more. In this extremely fun class, you will learn how to create your very own abstract masterpieces with acrylic pouring techniques. Acrylic pouring is an easy-to-learn process using fluid medium to create paintings with rich, vibrant colors in compelling organic patterns. Great for those who are new to acrylic painting, as well as more experienced artists. No paintbrush required. In this class we will be making either a 11 by 14, 12 by 16, or 16 by 20 canvas pour, using the dirty pour or dirty flip techniques. All supplies are included. The only thing we ask is that you wear clothes that you don't mind getting some paint on, and to bring is a smile and a positive attitude. Call us today at 727-810-3542 to book an acrylic pour workshop or book online at jerseygirlartstudio.com.